IKN.
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 Hey, do you guys know about IKN?
I don't have any idea. What about it?
How can you don't know? It was trending all in the internet.
No, I mean, what is IKN? IKN stands for Ibu Kota Nusantara is the new capital city of Indonesia that will replace our current capital city, Jakarta. Yes, the land in the existed during Soekarno's era.
Why was Kalimantan chosen to be the IKN?
Kalimantan has been chosen to be new capital city for Indonesia because the largest island has only a small population. The purpose of making the IKN is to be a solution to equalization of the field education, health, and other employment opportunities. So, this IKN can be a solution to equalization.
But in this news, IKN is not a solution to equalization. In fact, the state budget has increased.
Well, it's true. IKN has actually becomes a loss of state. Even indigenous people feel intimate by contribution of this IKN. They are expelled from the place where they have lived for hundreds of years. To that have been 20,000 indigenous people have been expelled from the IKN area.
However, indigenous people affected by this development are given some compensation, some in money, land, settlement, and others from that have been agreed by legal community. And with this IKN too, the government has been found a solution for the problem in Jakarta.
The development, the IKN, is built controversy because it does not have true dialogue with the community. But the government directly makes laws regarding the IKN so that people who protest can be charged and end up going to jail. The government has threatened residents with letters of imprisonment and eviction of indigenous people who have lived for hundreds of years on the land. And the government has also not put indigenous people in their rightful position in the development process.
Yeah. From the news source that I found too, there are also other problems. The use of a large budget of 500 trillion and President Jokowi's promises that the IKN cost budget is taken from the APBN, BUMN, and BUMD. IKN has great potential that its financing will depend entirely on the state revenue and expenditure budget or APBN. IKN has not been able to attract investors when investors do not come to prevent the project from stalling. The 500 trillion part will be borne by the APBN. IKN will also have difficulty attracting people to move, with result in IKN being threatened with becoming a ghost town. These are the losses from the use of the state budget in IKN. The environmental damage, which is the destruction of the natural ecosystem in Kalimantan. The disapproval of people who are worried about the negative impact on the environment and the life of flora and fauna in Kalimantan. The use of APBN in the construction of the IKN may not pay attention in the right and sustainability of indigenous people who have long lived in the area.
Oh wow! After I hearing about the use of IKN APBN, I become a little hesitant.
Yes, in addition to the APBN problem, IKN is also a controversy because cannot protect indigenous people living in IKN area. The government is also not put indigenous people in their rightful position. Indigenous people demand recognition and protection of their right to territories and natural research, as well as concern about the impact of development on their survival. Indigenous people feel intimate that they have not received recognition commitment and have difficulty accepting information related to the development of the IKN. In addition, the formal legal situation placed indigenous people in a weak position, especially in the context of land, which can have a negative impact on their survival and existence. The government does not protect the right of indigenous people in the IKN area.
Wow, it turns out that the IKN problem is so complicated. And I just found out because looking at the IKN website, this development can be a solution for Indonesia.
It is true, IKN can be a solution for Indonesia, but with many problems in Indonesia, the government should prioritize solving many problems that occur rather than having to build IKN, which increases state budget.
It's so lucky that you guys are talking about IKN. Now,
I know about the pros and cons,
IKN is not a solution,
but rather a temporary fix that only addresses
the symptoms of a deeper issue.
So, are you sure for IKN?